So you want to see all images from Google Street View. Imagine you want to see your childhood home, but in this time it is not there. So you can use Street View to see back in time, travel in time, if you can put words to that. So you have to go to Google Maps and drag this little doll from here and put it in the street you want to see the time travel. And then you see I'm in 2014. Okay, so I'm moving 2024, and you have to press this button right to the date, and you can see I have more images from there, like 2007. As you can see, it's very old, but it's very cool. You can see a lot of places back in time. 2015, for example, and lastly 2024. If this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Goodbye.